Hi guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to launch an ad campaign on the Instagram app. So basically this video is going to be focused on increasing our Instagram followers by boosting a post. So you launch your Instagram app, then you visit your profile at the bottom right corner. Okay, so we're going to select a particular post we want to boost. Okay, so let's select this Happy New Month post. So we're going to boost this one. So now you would find a post button just beneath the content. So we're going to click on that. All right, so there are basically three main objective or goals you could set for your ad campaign when running an ad on the Instagram app. So the first one is more profile visits, where you invite people to explore your profile. Then the second one is more website visit, get people to visit your website to learn more or to take an action on your website or any action on your website. While the last one is more messages, so chat with people who are interested in your business or your business offering. So basically this would happen on WhatsApp or on Instagram direct. Okay, so for what we want to do for this video, we want people to follow our Instagram and profile, and the best way to do this is to go for the more profile visit. So we're going to click on the more profile visit. If you notice, Instagram doesn't have any specific ad objective or ad goal or optimization that focuses on increasing your Instagram followers. Yeah, so this is the best route, or this is the best available option for you to actually grow your Instagram followers through sponsored ads on the platform. So you have to go for the more profile visits. So we're going to click, so we've clicked on that already. Now we're going to click on next. The first one says special requirements. So this, you actually go for this when you're running an employment, housing, or social issues ad. So that's not what we want to do for this video. It's basically a business content we want to promote, and we want people to visit our profile. So the next thing is to select our audience. So it says automatic. Instagram targets ads to people like your followers. Okay, so we don't want to do this. Sample 2 is an audience that has already been saved. Same thing as sample. So just for clarity, we're going to create a new audience for this video. So I'm going to click on create your own to manually enter your targeting options. So we're going to click on create your own. We have to give it a name. So we're going to call this one sample 3. Sample 3. Next, we select our location. So we're going to select our region. Our primary region is Nigeria. So we're going to go for Nigeria. All right, so we're going to target the whole country. All right, so you could also add up other countries if you want, but we just want to target only Nigeria for this video guide. So we click on done. Okay, the next one is the interest. For this video, we're not going to do any interest targeting, or we wouldn't want to have any age restriction or gender. So we just want it to be a broad targeting. So this is actually what they call broad targeting. So the only thing we did here was just to select our region that we want our ad to show. And for this video, it's just Nigeria. So since we're doing a profile visit, we will leave it broad. Okay, so that we get more followers on our Instagram profile. Okay, so once we're done with this, we click on done at the top right corner. All right, so sample 3 is our defined audience for this ad campaign. So we're going to click on next. Next is budget and duration. So budget is very, very important. So for this video, we're just going to go with a very small budget. Okay, we're going to go for 1,444 Naira daily. Okay, so the next one is the duration, how long we want the ads to run. So it has two options. The first one says run this ad until I pause it. So this is where you're not fixing an end date. So the ads will just continue running once it's been approved by Meta. While the second one, you could determine how long you want these ads to stop. Once it gets to that particular date, it's going to end, or it's going to be completed. All right, so but for this video, we're not going to use the duration, so we're just going to go for run this ad until I pause it. So that's what we're going to go for this video. Then we click on next. Okay, so before we do that, you could see the runs. This is the estimated daily reach is 1,900 persons to 5,100 persons for this amount. So take note, if we increase the budget, we'll get higher persons. Okay, so let's go back to our budget. Is 1,444 daily. Okay, so let's click on the next button. Okay, so this is basically the review page where we're going to confirm all our settings. So this is the ad we're using. So you could click on the preview ad if you want. Okay, so let's look up. This is how ads is going to appear on feed. So you could see the visit Instagram profile. So this is how it's going to show up on people's feed on Instagram, or if the ad should show up on stories, this is what it's going to look like on stories. Okay, so this is how it's going to show up on stories. So you could see once people click on it, it's going to take them to our profile, visit Instagram profile. Okay, so this is also how it's going to show up on explore page. Okay, so that's it. All right, so okay, this is how it's going to show up as a reel or in reels. Okay, so you could see the visit profile. All right, so that's our preview. So you could also leave this on. Then we go back. So we've confirmed what our ads looks like on people's timeline on Instagram. Okay, so the ad goal is more profile visits. That is correct. So the audience is sample 3, 18 and above, and our region is Nigeria. Perfect. Our budget is 1,444 naira daily, and run the ads until it's paused. Perfect. Okay, so that is our payment method. Okay, so next we're going to move to the cost summary. Estimated VAT is 108 naira 30 kobo. So if you add that up to our daily budget, so our total spend is 1,552 naira 30 kobo. So this is what we're going to be paying daily. Okay, so once you've confirmed all this, you could now click on the boost post. And congratulations, our ads have been launched successfully. So it says, well done, your ad is in review. Most ads are reviewed within 24 hours, but it may take longer in some cases. Okay, so this ad has been sent to Meta for a review. So you have to wait for some time. Then our ads is going to start delivering. All right. Then you could also monitor your ad performance if you have the Ads Manager app installed on your device. So let's go to the Ads Manager app. Okay, so this is the Ads Manager mobile app. Okay, so we could see this is the post we just created. So it's currently in review. So you could see that it's currently in review. So you could track performance from here. So this one that is showing here as active has already been launched on the Instagram app. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Instagram app. So I'm going to go find that particular post. Okay, so this is the post. So you could see currently boosted. All right. Yeah, currently boosted. So all right, that's all for now.